Good morning, online owls. It's Mrs. Leach here, and it's your Friday assembly for February 5th, 2021. Let's get dancing this morning.
Do you want your NTV? Well, here it is.
Hit it.
Well, we've reached the Friday announcements. The district STEM challenge for trimester 2 is due today, so please make sure to post your game or pictures of your game on the Padlet in the STEM challenge Google Slides. You know you have to sign in with your own Gmail account, your LASDK8 account, to add your game to those slides. I want to invite you to come and join me in Tinker Club on Tuesdays from 12 to 12:40. You can come and build with Legos or blocks, or you can make something, make a craft, play with Play-Doh, or do some coding. We just come and hang out, just a bunch of makers doing our thing. Our next Spirit Day is next Friday, February 12th. It's going to be Red Day, so wear something red and show your school spirit. It's time for the Friday joke. Here we go. What did the calculator say to the student? You can count on me. Have a great day of learning. Stay healthy and safe this weekend. I'll see you on Monday.